Hey there, this is JB with marketing.biz. I wanted to walk you through one of our customers, Designer Beef, and what we were able to accomplish for them. We actually dropped their cost per acquisition and their cost per lead by 77% on Facebook ads in less than 5 months. So I want to go ahead and show you real quick some of this. Here on Facebook ads, back in February was when we started with them. And you'll notice that the two campaigns that were live at the time, this was a test campaign that we were building audience with here. The campaign's cost per acquisition was $14.37 and $9.69. That comes out to a little over $11 on average. And then in about 5 months, we were actually able to drop their cost per their cost per lead here to $2.57 a lead, spending just about the exact same amount of money and producing more than 3 times the amount of leads. So that is a 77% drop in cost per lead. And that was in 5 months. This was a test campaign for a coupon. So we don't actually count that because it wasn't the same marketing campaign. So Designer Beef was pretty cool because they needed just about everything. They needed a website that we designed for them. They needed a conversion strategy, lead magnets, and the strategy we actually built for them was pretty interesting and included quite a bit of different sources of marketing, different channels and everything as well, including a 30-day lead nurturing email campaign as well. So we went ahead and created this entire strategy for them and began implementing that, including things like their social media marketing and everything. We helped them work out some putting some recipes on their Instagram and getting some traction that way. A lot of people really liked recipes using that meat and everything, and of course their holiday posts and all of that stuff. So a lot of this was generated with AI, and the reason we were able to drive that cost per lead down so much is because we used AI-driven data and we tested a lot of different lead magnets until we got the right one. We really wanted to know what the customers and the leads actually wanted and what added value to their lives. And that's really where we focus on. And so a little bit about marketing.biz and the process that we go through to really help companies scale using different AI tools and everything. And the reason we do unlimited marketing, meaning we do everything for you, is because we need to be able to control the experience from start to finish to really see the most amount of effect in what we're actually doing. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a deep dive into what you're already doing, if anything, and what's working, what's not working. And then we're going to go ahead and build out a brand profile. This is going to be a contextual database that allows us to build content and graphics and everything that are actually relevant to your company and speak to your audience in a way that your current content can't speak to your audience. And AI allows us to actually produce this in record time. And then we actually build out a finalized roadmap. So one of the things you may have filled out was a strategy page, which is pretty cool, actually. This is the strategy form here, and you may have actually filled this out already. If you have, then you've already completed half of the onboarding process. So fantastic job. But we actually take that initial strategy and we go and produce a much larger roadmap for you. And that is custom tailored to after we've had a bit of a call and a discussion on what you think the focus should be and getting some feedback from you on that initial strategy. We build out your roadmap. And once you approve that, our team gets to work using different AI tools to move quite a bit faster than most companies are able to move in executing your marketing strategy. And so some of the reasons that people work with marketing.biz is they never want to deal with overpriced agencies again. And most of these overpriced agencies actually use a lot of the exact same artificial intelligence tools. They just don't tell you they do. So they're making an exorbitant profit off of the top, and we pass most of that savings to you. And a lot of our customers are able to see results a lot faster than other marketing marketing methods out there, because we're data driven and we use AI to make decisions quite a bit faster. It actually moves the process along a lot quicker than if you go with a traditional agency. A lot of customers also can get your marketing needs met from one company instead of going and having multiple companies manage multiple pieces of your marketing. For example, a social media management company, a web design company, and we really strive to understand your brand. If we understand your passion, what really moves you, why you started your company, then we're going to be able to communicate to your customers in a way that most agencies can't communicate to your customers. And most people work with us because we actually put hundreds of hours back into their pocket, if you will, and they're able to really focus on doing what they love. You never actually have to micromanage your marketing again. That's a huge, huge value that a lot of our customers see, is because they don't have to sit there and talk to their marketing team every single day. We actually have a dashboard that you're able to go in and approve certain deliveries quickly, and that gets us moving in a certain direction. So we never depend on your constant input or your constant micromanagement, which is really important. And then, of course, we're able to actually scale your business and grow your business at a healthy rate and not scale too fast or far too low. You're going to see results a lot faster than you would with a traditional agency. AI enables us at marketing.biz to complete things like R&D in days and not months. We're able to use AI to really extend ourselves and go a lot further and deeper in that research a lot quicker. We're able to scale your brand quite a bit faster than traditional marketing methods. And we use data to make faster decisions, like I mentioned earlier. That is a huge point, because most agencies take months to actually shift or pivot a marketing strategy if something isn't working. And that's something we're able to do very, very quickly. And that's really important in marketing. I actually used to own a marketing agency, and we would charge literally tens of thousands of dollars a month in retainers. And we pivoted our entire marketing strategy when AI came out, because we were like, this is ridiculous. Like, AI can help us make these decisions faster and saves us thousands and thousands of dollars, and we're able to pass that savings on to you. With AI, we're able to create contextual, meaningful content a lot quicker. That means we're able to take things like your story, your brand, information and data that you've given us, and we're able to create contextual data or contextual content that actually speaks to your audience in a way that a lot of other generic social media marketing content does not speak to your audience, because artificial intelligence is contextual, meaning it keeps that information safe. It keeps that information at the front of mind every time it helps us generate something. And remember, this AI is driven by humans. We don't use AI exclusively. We believe that human intervention is inevitable for a very long time. We also are able to deliver results a lot faster and, of course, for a lot less. So thank you so much for paying attention to our case study here for Designer Beef. We were really able to help them scale. They were making probably about $10,000 a month before we started, and now they're making over $120,000 every single month in their sales, and they're getting a massive ROAS on their ad spend. And we're really excited to have seen them scale. They're actually about to exit their company and sell it. So we're really excited for them.